Guys want some food?
Come on, Ricky.
Come on.
Oh, they're so hungry. Pork steaks.
There you go.
Get some, duck. Ricky's over here eating like a frickin' hound, man. Look at him go. He's like, oh, I'm gonna go over here. I think there's more over here. Damn. Duck's like, screw you, dude. He gets so excited. He misses out on so much food because he gets so excited that he like tries to get food from other people. Hey, you got a scrap from duck. That's impressive. Good boy, Duck. Good boy, Ricky. Whoa, which one was that?
Ricky.
Did he just run the house with a bone? Kick his ass back out here. We was like, I'm full of hot dogs. Love you, buddy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Ricky, you can't take bones back in the house. That's like an unwritten rule.